Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make banana fritters. It's a very easy snack to make. So let's see what all ingredients we need. For that I have taken 2 nicely ripe banana, 14 tablespoons of wheat flour or atta, 8 tablespoons of jaggery powder, 1 pinch of salt, half teaspoon of cardamom powder. So let's see how we are going to make this. First, we have to grind this banana and jaggery powder in the mixie. Now in the mixie jar, I have taken the banana, peeled banana and the jaggery powder. So in that I am going to add this cardamom powder and a pinch of salt. So we have to grind it well. I am not adding any water. Now I have grounded the banana paste. So let's see what's the next step. In a bowl, I am going to add this wheat flour, and I am going to add this mix into this. Or we can add the remaining wheat flour and the banana pulp. If you want to reduce the jaggery powder level, you can reduce. Jaggery powder is the only one which is giving the sweetness. With this, I am going to add little bit of water. I have added 4 tablespoons of regular water and I mixed well. Make sure that there is no lumps. Give a good mix. This is the consistency we want. Now I am going to keep this mix for the fermentation for 2 to 3 hours. If it's a hot weather, 2 to 3 hours is enough. If it's a cold weather, you can keep it for 5 to 6 hours. If you don't want to wait for fermentation, you can add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and you can start the preparation. I am not adding baking soda, so I am going to keep it for 2 to 3 hours for fermentation. You can close with the lid and make sure before keeping it for fermentation Sugar level is I had fermented the banana mix for 2 hours. Now I am going to fry it. For that I have kept one pan. In that I am going to add oil for frying. Now the oil is hot. I am going to add the banana mixture scoop by scoop. Keep the flame in the medium. Flip it each 1 minute and make sure that inside cooked well. Now you can see the color changed. You have to keep the flame in the medium. This batch cooked well, so I am taking out. We can fry the remaining mix. Banana fritters are ready. As you see, it's very easy and simple to make. It's an easy snack for kids. You can serve as an evening snack with tea or coffee. Hope you like this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you for watching. Thank you.